Catania Airport, and here's what the entrance looks like. Alfred's getting my bag ready. Okay, inside the terminal. Lots of little pastry places, coffee places to get something. Not very busy. Everywhere it's written, no war, free Ukraine. This is a small little duty-free here on the other side. I had to go through another control because I'm going to Istanbul first. The flight is over an hour late because it's snowing in Istanbul. So I have a 2-hour layover. Usually that's enough, but we'll see if I'll make it. All right, now we're 2 hours and 20 minutes delayed. Sitting here waiting. We have arrived to Istanbul. So there's a bunch of us that missed our flight, and I've met Marika. Saluta tutti.
Ciao.
Parla una cosa siciliana.
Namu peso.
Namu peso. I'm not sure what that means, but there you go. Now we're in line trying to figure out what to do next. So we got here at 3:45 Turkey time, and my departure was 3:45 Turkey time. So walking around, we're exhausted because no one has a straight answer for us about anything. So finally, to go to the hotel, I have to get a visa. How cool is this? I have my first Istanbul visa. All right, we just walked about half a mile to go to the hotel set. Now we're waiting. The hotel is about 30 minutes outside of the airport. This has been quite an adventure. There's Marika. She's talking to her mom and dad. Oh, you know where she's from? Noto. Adventure? Avventura?
Bellissima, molto difficile.
Very hard. Che dici?
Che senza di te non ci sarei riuscita assolutamente.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Without me, she couldn't have done it. Of course, she could have, but it helps to have an English speaking. Ora devo imparare inglese.
Ora devo imparare l'inglese, sì, hai ragione.
I said she has to learn English now. I'm right. She said I'm right. This is quite the hotel. 4 or 5 stars. Wow.
Si deve partire tutto questo?
Wow, after all of this, not bad. I wanted to come out and get some video for you guys, but look, it's snowing. Can you see? And it is so cold. The hotel we're staying at here in Istanbul, because I missed my connecting flight, is hosting 200 women, 100 children, Ukraine refugees. Everything is free for them. About 85 rooms. They get to eat for free here. And I got to talk to 2 women, and their stories are just heartbreaking. Listen to this. I'm sitting here having a cup of tea, and I meet these 2 ladies, Nadia and Tanya, who just fled the Ukraine. And you you came with your children?
I have 2 children. I going in Turkey 3 weeks ago.
And your family's still there?
Yes, my parents now in Kyiv.
And what do they say?
Many Russian people kill people Ukraine.
Sad.
I have 3 children, and together come in Istanbul together with small girls, my daughter, and 2 sons now stay in Kiev.
What happened in Mariupol?
Mariupol don't have city. Mariupol, Russian tank come and car. People kill people, normal people, wife, children, small. Which people is wait baby, hospitals, and как сказать безжалостно.
The pregnant women are killed.
Kill children, kill women, and don't think, как сказать, бросают бомбы.
Bomb on the building.
It's hospital, it's children, it's small children, school, for civil people.
And what do you think when you're waiting for your son to call your children?
What time? Every day wait telephone, maybe message with my children, with my son. What time don't call, I every time wait my son maybe dead. This is very big problem for me. Every time wait, every time I leave from.
Her son is still in Kiev because anyone over 18 can't leave. And she said all day she waits for the phone call to hear from her son to make sure that he's alive.
You and I and all people Ukraine cry.
Cry.
Yes, I miss my country. I miss my Ukraine, and my children miss. I miss my country. I want to finish this problem. I want to finish
The war.
one. Yes.
Are you mad? Angry?
No, I not too much angry, and I very cry for people. Why? Because too much children dead, too much hungry people, and don't have homes, and this is very big problem.
This is your daughter? They were sleeping in the metro for 10 days.
All people in metro. This is my son and my daughter in metro. This
Bodrum.
Underground.
This grandmother, grandfather.
And where are they now?
Yes.
They are in Kiev? They are in Ukraine?
In Kiev. This is my sister and kids, daughter, and in car.
This is on the way here on the bus.
Vasilkov, city Vasilkov bomb
At night.
In night. In Ukraine, I want in peace. Stop war, please.
So Marika is going to see her dad in Miami. She's so excited. See? Excited? And she wants to be a cook. Perché? Perché vuoi cucinare siciliano?
Ma intanto perché è la terra di mio papà.
Ah, her dad is
Sì,
a
mio papà è
cook.
siciliano, però ormai vive in America. Mentre mia mamma è pugliese. Mia mamma non è siciliana.
Mamma mia. E quindi tu com'è? Pugliese o siciliana? How do you feel?
Io sono
Pugliese o siciliana?
Io in realtà sono nata a Milano.
Ah. Nato in Milano.
Sì. Ma cresciuta in Sicilia.
But she grew up in Sicilia. E chi pensi? Milano,
No,
Pugliese? No.
Mai pensata a Milano.
No, she doesn't think of herself as Milano. Siciliana?
Sicilia.
Sicilia.
Io sempre cucino. Anche se quando tipo mia mamma non c'è, quando non ho niente da fare, mi invento nuove cose, cucino
She loves to
qualcosa di
cook.
nuovo.
She loves
Mi
to
piace.
cook new things. She loves to cook. So why do you want to do this for work? Perché vuoi fare per lavoro?
Perché mi è sempre piaciuto, è sempre stata una mia passione.
It's her passion.
Guardavo mia nonna sempre cucinare.
Tua nonna siciliana.
Sì.
With her Sicilian grandmother, she was always cooking.
E è sempre stata lei a trasmettermi questa cosa.
Preferito. What's your favorite plate?
Allora, intanto io amo la pasta in
Ah,
sé.
certo. Pasta con che?
Dipende, intanto la carbonara è la migliore per me.
Carbonara. Ma carbonara non è
Non è
siciliana.
La norma, quella con il pomodorino di Pachino è buonissima. Quella col pistacchio.
Da Bronte. See, you guys, see what happens? I got a flight, missed my flight. She missed her flights, and wow, what a treasure she is, huh? Look at that, she's trying something new. Assaggi. She has to smell it first.
È dolcissimo.
It's too sweet for her. È buono. No. This is in the hallway of the hotel I'm staying at. Great pictures for sale. Look at that. Very impressive. All types of themes here. And you know, Turkey is where the East meets the West. And certainly you can see that theme displayed over here. I love maps. Some of these things are on sale as well. Oh, Lady Justice. Brava. Very interesting. Even something here for Carnevale. We have made it to the airport. This airport is ginormous and has a lot of retail stores. A lot of big names. This is a mini Grand Bazaar. Of course, here in Turkey, there is the largest bazaar in the world. Literally, it's like a city selling all types of things. Oh, these are beautiful.
The movie, it's very popular in world.
Yeah.
Sultan Suleiman. What about Sultan Suleiman? You watched it? Hürrem Sultan.
Sandwiches look great. All types of Turkish. Ooh, look at that. Great leaves. I love. See, Turkish leaves. 64 Turkish lira. Special Turkish pastry. Un buon viaggio.
Grazie.
E ci vediamo a Noto.
Ciao.
A presto.